Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of Teammate, the revolutionary Jira plugin powered by GPT-3. We're very excited to showcase the current capabilities of our plugin and give you a sneak peek at what's coming in the beta version launching next week. My name's John. I'm part of the innovation team at Solve4U, which is the company behind Teammate. For today's meeting, we'll be demonstrating the functionality of Teammate through a user journey. In this scenario, we'll follow a user who is using Teammate to create user stories for their app development project in Jira. Specifically, the feature we will be focusing on is the integration of the Stripe app, which will allow the user to purchase a subscription. And in it, we will see how Teammate can help the user create this user story quickly and easily using natural language without having to navigate through complex menus. So if you're a Jira user, a developer, or a project manager, you don't want to miss this. We'll show you firsthand how Teammate can streamline your workflow, save you time and effort, and make your work more productive and enjoyable. Let's get started and see how Teammate can help you unleash your creativity and achieve your goals faster than ever before. All right, great. So over on the screen here, you'll see that I'm logged into the Teammate website. Let's say I want to open up my Jira project. Now I've got a project selected, and you'll see that there are no issues currently assigned to this project. From here, let's go ahead and open up the Teammate plugin. You'll notice the ChatGPT style interface in dark mode overlaid directly within the Teammate app. Now, I'm going to narrate a little bit less and just see how fast we could set up these user stories. Let's go ahead. So, suppose I was building a plugin for Jira called SaaS Master. And I needed to integrate plugin with Stripe in order to offer in order to allow end users to subscribe to SaaS Master. Please propose a list of user stories I might need to create in order to enable the functionality. Let's see what Teammate comes back with. Okay, now this looks great. So let's say I wanted to create the first three issues here. I should have the ability to create and manage my Stripe account. I should be able to securely store my Stripe credentials. I should be able to view and manage my subscription plans in SaaS. Let's say those are the only three requirements that are needed to ultimately fulfill the requirement. So what I might say is, first I want to create an epic that will sort of govern the whole project or the whole sort of work stream of the implementation of this Stripe integration. So I might want to ask Teammate to create an epic for me called Implement Stripe Integration. Create an epic called Implement Stripe Integration. So here, Teammate will recognize that I want the system to create an epic for me, and it will provide an epic along with a summarized version and a little bit more detail for the summary. And you'll notice as well, once the system has identified that I'm creating an epic, if I hover over the response, a Create button will be displayed. If I select the Create button, you'll see the Jira Issue Create screen with information that's already populated based on my request to Teammate. Now I'll just select my project here, Teammate, and I'll go ahead and create the epic. After I've created the epic, Teammate sends a response, lets me know that the epic's been created. Let me validate this by navigating over to my issues page. Right here, I can see that the epic's been created. By selecting the epic, I can see that this epic is about implementing the Stripe integration to accept payments for our services. Looks great. Now, let's head back to the Jira Teammate plugin. So from here, let's say I want to create this user story beneath this epic. So I might say create a user story for the following. Paste in the content for the user story. Let's see how it handles it. Great. Removes the one and lists out the story. Beautiful. Shows me the create button. When I hit create, it pre-populates it as a story issue type, which is fantastic. It's created the story. I'll select the project, allow to create. While I'm here, I might create one more story. Okay. Create story for the following. I should have said user story. Let's try that one more time. Create a user story for the following. See you later, Jack. That looks more like it. Let's hit create. It's a story, perfect. Let's select our project and then let's submit it. Okay, perfect. Now let's slightly change up the command a little bit just to show the capability here. So let's say I wanted to create this third user story. Let's see, view and manage my payment history. I should be able to configure the Stripe creation settings. I should be able to view analytics related to. Let's say I wanted to view analytics related to the Stripe subscriptions within my Jira admin interface. So imagine I'm building an admin panel, I'm adding a specific, perhaps Explorer node that allows for me to view my information or analytical information about my Stripe subscriptions. So let's say I already know that that's the feature, okay, but I don't already have it in user story format. So let's say create a user story for me to integrate Stripe with my Jira plugin so that I can see analytical information in Jira, analytical information about the Stripe subscriptions within my Jira plugin. So you'll see here, even though the format's a little bit different, we don't have the colon in this case, the system still identifies the requests in the information that follows and is able to create the user story just the same. So if I hit create and select the project, very simply, I can get the issue created. Now, let's go back to my issues here. All issues. Let's refresh. Okay, great. I can see that the 3 new user stories have been created, and that's basically a wrap. So thanks everybody for tuning in today. Very excited about what's to come. More features are being released every day, and so we're happy to keep everybody posted. Thank you very much.